Today, we're going to look at how to bring a financial spreadsheet in from Microsoft Excel. I'm going to start by clicking either on this button here or on this button up here to bring in a new data feed. I'm going to go ahead and select my data, which is going to be by file upload. This allows me to choose the file. I have my financial data here. And you can see from this preview, this looks like a typical financial spreadsheet. I've got my accounts on the left-hand side and my dates along the top. Now, it has to be transposed so that the dates are running up and down, and we've got our accounts in each of the columns. So we can use this toggle here to make that happen. And then in addition, what I want to do is I want to make sure that these are recognized as the header labels here. So I'm going to do that. Perfect. This will then bring me into the data feed editor where I can further clean this file up. So the first thing that I want to do is I'm going to give this the proper column header here. And then I'm also going to go ahead and just remove some of the blank columns just to clean up my sheet here. You can always expose those hidden columns up here with this toggle as well. Now, in this example, we're going to be only building a metric that is looking at revenue. So COGS and gross margin and all that kind of stuff we don't want for today's example. So we only want licensing and services. Now, we also want to use those as the categories so that we can segment our data. So I'm going to have to reformat this data by unpivoting it, and I'll show you how to do that here. So we're going to select all columns except for our month column, and that will allow all of the data to fall into two categories here, or two columns here. One for our accounts. We're actually going to call that accounts. And one for our values, our currency values. And we're going to change that as well to currency. Okay, so now we've got that. Now we still have expenses and COGS and general and marketing in here. So we want to further filter that to only have licensing and services. So I'm going to go ahead and use the filter feature here. So equals licensing. And I'm going to say match any equals services. Perfect. And we now have a beautiful data feed that only has licensing and services, so revenue in other words, and we have this formatted as currency. So I think we're almost ready to go. We're going to save this file here. And that then brings us into the place where we can then build metrics from our data feeds. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. So I'm going to add my first metric. So you can see here that I'm going to choose values as the measure that we're aggregating. And then I only have one choice, but my account is going to be what I use to segment the data. And why don't we open up this date range a little bit so that we have a little bit more data to play with and see in this preview. Okay, so there we have it. If I go to account, I will see this segmented. Of course, I can change the way this displays. So a stacked line would probably be the best way to display this information. And let's just double check the rest of the data here. So I'm going to call this revenue. And we're going to give it a description so that folks know what we're talking about. Okay, and then let's just check out the settings. So currency, the currency symbol, trending up is positive. And there we go. Okay, we can then go ahead and save this, and you're ready to share it with your colleagues and use it inside of dashboards. There you have it, taking a financial spreadsheet and building a beautiful revenue metric out of that. Thanks so much.